ورتل القرآن ترتيلا.
Assalamu alaikum. In this lesson, we will be covering the rule of Iqlab. Our learning objectives are: number 1, to know what Iqlab means. Number 2, to know the different steps in applying Iqlab. Number 3, to know the letter of Iqlab. And finally, to be able to identify Iqlab in a given verse and applying it. What does Iqlab mean? Iqlab means to change or convert. We are converting the Noon Saakin or Tanween into a Meem. For example, we have a Tanween example, Sami'an Basiran, and a Noon Saakin example, Min Ba'di. How to identify Iqlab? Step 1. Find Noon Saakin or Tanween. Step 2. Look at the letter immediately after Noon Saakin or Tanween. And this applies to all the rules. Step 3. The letter after must be the letter Ba. And step 4. Convert the Noon Saakin or Tanween into a Meem and hold the Meem sound for 2 counts. Now let's look at an example together. So step 1, find the Noon Saakin or Tanween in this ayah. So as we look across, we can see that there is a Noon Saakin symbol here. And there are 2 more, Noon Saakin and another Noon Saakin. So we have 3 Noon Saakin symbols in this particular ayah. Step 2. Look at the letter immediately after the Noon Saakin or Tanween. So we can see on the first Noon Saakin, it is followed by the letter Ba. And if we go across, we can see that the Noon Saakin is followed by the letter Kaf, and the other Noon Saakin is followed by the letter Da. Step 3. The letter after must be the letter Ba. So if we look at the first Noon Saakin, is followed by the letter Ba. If we look at the second Noon Saakin, is followed by the letter Kaf. Hence, it is not part of the Iqlab rule. And if you look at the third Noon Saakin, is followed by the letter Ta. Again, it is not part of the Iqlab rule. Step 4. Convert the Noon Saakin or Tanween into a Meem. So if we look at the Noon Saakin, it is followed by the letter Ba, so we will be reading it as Ambi'uni. And a quick method is you will always see a small Meem on the Noon Saakin or Tanween. Now it's time to do one by yourself. Find the Iqlab rule from the following verse and resume the video to find the answer. Now let's go through the answer. Step 1. Find the Noon Saakin or Tanween. So when we look across, there is a Noon Saakin, there is a Tanween, there is another Tanween, and another Tanween. Step 2. Look at the letter immediately after the Noon Saakin or Tanween. And step 3, the letter after must be the letter Ba. So if we have a look across, the first Noon Saakin is followed by the letter Za, so it cannot be Iqlab. The Tanween sign is followed by the letter Lam, so it cannot be Iqlab. The Tanween is followed by the letter Ba, so it is come under the category of Iqlab. There is a Tanween followed by the letter Qaf, so it cannot be Iqlab. There is a Tanween followed by the letter Waw, so it cannot be Iqlab. And remember, the biggest clue is the little Meem that the Noon Saakin or Tanween will have to be of the Iqlab rule. Step 4. Convert the Noon Saakin or Tanween into a Meem and hold the Meem sound for 2 counts. Hence, it will be read Kafirim bihi. So what have we learnt in this lesson? We know what Iqlab means. We know the letter of Iqlab. We know the steps required to identify Iqlab in the Quran, and we can identify and apply Iqlab in the Quran for both Noon Saakin and Tanween. Hope you have benefited from this lesson. Keep seeking knowledge. Ma'as salama.